What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about something very special, and that is my first ever Clickbank sale. Now this happened about 8 years ago, and this is a very special story because the thing is that the strategy that I'm going to share with you, which was responsible for this Clickbank sale, is something that you can use to this day. You know, it's something you can use to this day. It's still powerful, it still works. You just have to actually put a little bit of work to make it happen, so it's not completely, like, you know, easy to do. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to explain it a little bit, and I'm going to actually give you the strategy. You know, I'm just going to show you examples as well, so you see exactly how it happened, because I have a lot of examples, because this is a strategy that you used a lot back then, and this was responsible for my biggest portion, a really big portion of my Clickbank success. So it's very powerful. Again, still you can use this strategy, very great stuff, and you're gonna see exactly how and why this powerful Clickbank strategy actually works. You know, it's really interesting. So let's go to my computer, let's talk about the overall strategy, and then I'm going to show you a couple of examples as well. Unfortunately, I don't have the first ever site that I made using this strategy, but I'm going to show you the second site that I made using this, because I was testing a lot of stuff back then and I saw this one is working, so I started making more sites like it. So I'm going to show you how this whole thing works. All right, so let's go over there and let's talk about it. Alright guys, so the strategy is actually quite simple. It just requires a little bit of work. So it all starts with a YouTube video. Alright, I'm going to again show you all these examples right now so you see it in action. So it all starts with a YouTube video where you review a product. Okay, so review a product on Clickbank. For example, if the product is ABC, your video is going to be called ABC product review, you know, something like that. So it's going to be a very basic product review, explains about the product. You know, if you used it yourself, that's great. If you haven't, you can just rely on other people's experience. And also I'm going to talk about another thing which is very important, to get review access to the product. All right, so this is something you want to do. You want to get review access to the product. I'm going to show you how you can do that actually right now. So after that, what you want to do is you want to send people to your website. Now this is where things get very interesting, because what you do, okay, let me actually just draw this. There you go. So there's gonna be a headline, and then there's gonna be another video. Now this one is actually a very short one. So because let's say this video was like a 10-minute video. All right, now this video is going to be really short, maybe like a minute. Okay, just a single minute, and then you're gonna have some buttons here, which again I'm going to explain all that right now, and then more details, all that. So this is basically your main sales video, right? This is where you convince people that this is a good product, if again you're promoting that. And then this is your pre-sale video, right? So this is where the pre-sale page, basically where you kind of push them over the edge. I'm going to explain all that right now in more details. Now what is the point of this exactly? Okay, so the point of this page is to actually, first of all, send people to the affiliate link, right? This is where people buy the product. One of the buttons is going to be in the affiliate link button. Now the point here is to provide more value than other people. All right, now unfortunately I don't have my first ever campaign here, okay, the first ever product that I promote which worked, but I have another product. And unfortunately for this product, I actually have the second video. So because the thing is, I made a video about this particular product that I'm going to show you right now about I'd say back in 2013, and I don't have the original video because I didn't make the original video myself. My face wasn't in it. I'm going to explain how I did it. So first, let's go over this whole thing step by step. All right, review access. You need that to make this main review video, right? So if you go to Clickbank, no matter what niche you choose, you want to go to affiliate section of the product. All right, now the idea here is that you want to get in touch with the product owner. Okay, actually for example, they have the support here. Okay, they have a support. There you go. So as you see, they have a support, right? So what you can do is you basically can contact them and say, hey, I'm trying to promote your product and I'm trying to make a video from it on YouTube. Can you give me a review access? Now make sure you tell them that, guys. That's very important. Don't give them like, can you give me access, because they think you're trying to get the product for free. Okay, make sure you tell them, hey, I'm an affiliate, I'm trying to promote the product on Clickbank, I just need maybe a 2-day review access so I can make a full review video off of your product. And they would love that. You know, again, I actually have a network myself, Adversity, and we don't obviously provide any review access, but you know, I've had other products such as CB Masters Academy. I used to have an affiliate section for CB Masters Academy, standalone one, and we would give review access to people because we want people to promote the product. So you can definitely give review they will definitely give review access to you. It's really not that hard. You just have to let them know that you're not trying to get this for free. Just tell them, hey, I'm trying to make a review video out of this, and I just need a 1-day or 24 hours review access, something like that. Make sure you tell them that, like the 24-hour, 1-day, 2-day review access, so they know that, hey, you're not trying to get anything for free. So that's how you get review access. So that's how you actually get in the product, because in order to make this video, right, you need to be able to see inside the product. You need to be able to go inside and make the video and, you know, talk about the product. So that's very important. Now the next section here is the website. Right, this is the website. This is very important because this is going to do a couple of things. First of all, this is an example of the video I made. Okay, this is about 5 years ago. Now this is not the exact video, as I said. Let me tell you why. So when I started promoting this, let's see, when was this? And again, this is not the first ever product I sold, by the way. Yeah, so this is back in 2014. I think I made my first sale back in 2013. I'm not sure. But yeah, so this was actually when I was really making money, and I actually made a video about this product because I was actually already making Clickbank sales like this, and I was like, hey, what if I just, you know, what if I just make a review about this product that is kind of working, because I was using this product myself a little bit. So let's go back here. What I want to show you is this video, and what I did back then was I used Fiverr. Okay, I used Fiverr to order a voiceover. So I made a nice script. I used Fiverr to order a voiceover, and then I recorded my screen over that voiceover and I edited. So it's that simple. You know, I wasn't in a video. I just recorded my screen and made a voiceover on Fiverr, and that's it. So that's how I made my video, and this is how you can do it as well. Again, this video is not the first one I made about this product, but yeah. So then this would take him to this page. Okay, again, this is this part, right, where I have this video. I have this pre-sale video, but here's the important thing. I have this pre-sale video, but what I do is I'm actually, if you take a look, this is a very short video. It's like, as you see, it's a 2-minute video, 3-minute video. Okay, we're not doing anything crazy because they've already watched this long review video. Okay, they're kind of ready to buy. So what I do is I'm telling them why they should buy with my link. So I have my affiliate link, not exactly below this, but down here. So I have my affiliate link, says, hey, if you want to get in this thing, you should definitely check it out. And also I have another link that takes them to the form where they can get their bonus. Now this is another important thing. I've talked about providing bonuses multiple times on my YouTube channel when selling any affiliate product, really. And you know, using a bonus is very powerful because it actually tells them a couple of things, and this whole system in general. First of all, it tells them you're serious about selling this product. Okay, if you're serious about selling this product because you believe in the product, right? Number two, another thing it does, it actually provides it actually just pushes them to buy the product because you're providing extra value, right? So again, that bonus is giving them extra value. And also it just organizes it. You know, the thing is that these people, they're looking for product reviews, they're just kind of browsing all over the place and just trying to figure out what to buy and what to not buy. And then they see someone like this that is organized, they provide bonuses, they provide extra support and all that stuff, they will definitely be interested. So this is how you convert them to a sale. As you see, again, it comes from a big review video on YouTube, and then to your site, where you provide a little bit more details, and then you provide a bonus and a link to a purchase page. Now these links open in a new tab, and I don't think they're available actually, or they're not working anymore. Again, this is an old site, old product. I don't think it's available anymore. I'm not making any sales from this, but yeah. So yeah, this is the idea, right? One goes to the site, the affiliate link. Second goes to the form where they can enter their information. So this is how it works, guys. This is the strategy. This is how I made my first ever sale. Again, one more thing before I end this part is that this wasn't the first ever product I sold, because this was not again, I couldn't find the first ever product of the site that I used to make that first ever sale. Unfortunately, I didn't have any of the information because it was just too old. Even this one, because this is the second variation of this video, not the first one. The first one was back in 2013, I believe. This one actually was, this is even new. So yeah. So guys, this is how you do it. It's quite simple. You just have to kind of put the work and kind of dedicate yourself to that product. If you really want to do it, it takes less than I'd say a week to finish the whole thing up and get it started. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and also like this video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Like it really helps a lot, because it helps more people to find this video, and it's very helpful for me as well. Alright guys, thank you so much again. If you want to learn more about this stuff, if you want to learn more about Clickbank and how to make Clickbank sales, you should definitely check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to my Clickbank course, CV Masters Academy. You should definitely check it out. It's a great program if you're getting started, and if you want to learn all these strategies. Because the thing about making sales on Clickbank is there isn't just one way to make Clickbank sales. You need to choose your strategy based on your product, the product that you're promoting. So it's very important. This is something people don't know. They think there's just one effective strategy to promote Clickbank products, but in reality, you gotta choose your strategy based on the product you're promoting, the niche, the sales page style, what kind of video is it, all that stuff, if there is a video. So there are a lot of elements that you got to consider when you're choosing the strategy. So definitely check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and like this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.